6:45, many students across the area heading back to school this week.
That's right, and if you're a parent or caregiver, you've likely tackled your back-to-school list. New supplies, backpacks, and even that lunchbox. But what goes inside that lunchbox is the big question. Health reporter Haley Hernandez has some tips to make sure they're eating healthy.
And if you guys are anything like me, you're just grabbing things off the shelf, just trying to survive the day. But it is important for parents to stock up on healthy foods that children can eat before, during, and after class. Dietitians with Baylor College of Medicine say your child's breakfast should always include protein. Eggs are a great choice, they say, and thank goodness, because they're super easy. You can also add protein and fiber to those, incorporate vegetables. For a quick meal, try unsweetened yogurt with granola or a fresh fruit smoothie. Both have lots of nutrients, and those should keep your kids full. Protein is also important when it comes to packing lunches. Experts suggest grilled chicken or low-sodium deli meat along with your cheese, yogurt, or milk. Always include vegetables and fruit, and choose water over sports beverages or juice. Treats from time to time are okay, but they say to keep sweets to a minimum. Womp womp. As for after-school snacks, string cheese, fruits, and veggies, trail mix, or plain popcorn. You want to avoid sugary cereals, candy, or other foods that are high in sugar. Now, these snacks, the sweet ones, they're not going to fill them up and could make them more irritable.
You don't say. Sugar has a tendency to...
Sugar makes you hyper? What?
Yeah.
No.
And there's so many foods just that sound healthy that are hiding sugars. You know, think of those like granola bars. You got to look at the sugar content in those. Sweetened yogurt.
Say the yogurts, yeah.
Oh my goodness, yogurt makes me so mad. Because you need yogurt, but you have to pay attention to which kinds you're buying.
Go for that low sugar option.
Good advice.